Good afternoon, happy Thursday. I just wanted to hop on here today and talk a little bit about hydration actually. So hydration is something that is talked about also a lot, like what we were talking about yesterday. And we talk about, I've heard things like as soon as you're thirsty, you're already dehydrated, or when your lips are chapped, you're dehydrated. There's so many things that we get told every day. And I think both of those things are true for sure. But I actually wanted to talk about something that we don't really think of is how we hydrate ourselves. So normally if you don't drink a ton of water and then you drink a ton of water really fast, you are like, it didn't really hydrate me. Like I just have to pee more. And so actually one thing that I learned while I was in clinic is that we actually absorb water kind of like houseplants, like this little guy right here. So normally when you water your plant for the first time in a pot, the water drains out the bottom really fast. But if you kind of smush it around a little bit, you can tell that the water didn't get all the way through all of the dirt. So that kind of happens with our cells in our body too. So they're used to that state of a little bit dehydrated, a little bit shrunken, and we have to continually hydrate and drink tons of water in order to actually make our cells fully hydrate, because they're used to the state they're in. Just like everything else, we're used to it and we don't change unless we are kind of pushed a little bit to change. So just like our plant, if we only watered it once, we'd have to water it so many more times because the water doesn't soak all the way down and get those roots really wet. It might start drooping even though you're watering it, and it's kind of confusing. Same thing with our bodies. So when we drink water consistently, our bodies get used to that and our cells individually can hydrate better. And then we will not get that fatigue or, sometimes dehydration headaches and just everything that comes along, just being tired or not really being able to focus because we don't have all of the water and nutrients in our cells that we need. So hopefully that helps someone. Hydration is really important. Even though it's winter, sometimes we forget because we don't want to drink cold water. So hot water, sometimes coffees and teas are actually dehydrating. So maybe we'll talk about that another time. But yeah, so hopefully that helps someone, and happy Thursday and have a great weekend. Bye.